Do you ever wake up excited for a warm summer day when you realize it's November? Here's an easy lemonade recipe that makes it feel like summer year-round. For your materials, you'll need 1 1/2 cup of water, 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and something to stir with. Step 1 is to combine the sugar with the warm water. You want to stir this together until it's completely dissolved. Next, you want to pour your lemon juice in and stir it thoroughly. From here, you can either leave it in the fridge and wait till it gets cold, but if you're thirsty now, you could put some ice in a glass and pour it over top of that. Enjoy! Let's review. The first thing you need to do is gather all of your materials: water, sugar, lemon juice, and something to stir with. The second step is to pour your sugar into the warm water and stir completely. The third step is to pour your lemon juice in and stir this completely. The fourth step is to pour it over ice if you want it now, or put it in the fridge and save it for later. This recipe makes 2 servings, so enjoy some now and then have some more later. Enjoy!